Meet the WFT11 by FERMAT, the little brother of our best-selling WFT13. But don't let its size fool you, this machine is still powerful. The WFT11 is a universal machine designed for medium-sized pieces of up to 10 tons, making it suitable for machining various materials like steel weldments, castings, and alloys. Plus, the machine kinematics allow rotation of pieces as long as 3,500 millimeters, giving you even more flexibility in your operations. Travels in X up to 3,000, Y up to 2,000, and Z up to 1,700 give the WFT11 a great range of capabilities. Plus, with options like a 20-ton table and longer travel in X, you can customize it to fit your needs perfectly. With a spindle diameter of 110 mm and a higher RPM of up to 5,000. Thanks to ceramic bearings, the WFT11 is perfect for modern tools that require speed and precision. The headstock is powered by a Siemens motor of 19.5 kilowatts or 22 kilowatts for Fanuc, and with a W-axis movement of 730 mm, it can handle even the most challenging projects. But that's not all. The WFT11 comes with a wide range of accessories that expand your machining capabilities and reduce the need for reclamping. Machine can be equipped with various types of milling head, manual or automatic. For the automatic ones, you can also choose pickup for automatic loading. This machine has it all. Plus, the high-capacity tool changes, from ATC with 20 or 40 tools to robot with 96 tools, ensure you always have the right tool for the job. So if you want power, precision, and versatility all in one machine, look no further than the WFT11 by FERMAT. Contact us today to learn more.